Hello and welcome everybody to yet another video of Spec-Driven Development with your mentor Vivek. Today we shall be touching upon what SDD really means. So without any further ado, let's get started. So what is Spec-Driven Development really? Let's nail it down. In agentic programming, SDD means this: you define the specs and functionalities of what you want to build first, clearly in detail, and then your AI agent builds code that actually compiles with those specs. Now, what even is a spec? A spec is simply a clear description of a piece of behavior: the inputs, the outputs, and the rules. That's it. In WorkshopHub, imagine a class booking feature. Before a single controller or component exists, we write a spec. A student can book a class. Here are the inputs. Here's what comes back. Here are the rules. That's the spec. So if you see, there's an example right over here, which you all can use to understand it. Now, strict super formal specs can get bureaucratic. Personally, I prefer a hybrid, descriptive specs written in detailed natural language. This is what I call advanced vibe coding. Best of both worlds. Now, why pure vibe coding fails? Here's the trap. Pure vibe coding, the say, hey AI, just make me an app approach. It fails every time. Loose ends everywhere. No real depth. Half baked features. Now, and here's the painful part: every unplanned iteration, every wait, that's not what I meant, round trip, that burns tokens. And tokens cost real money. That alone is a huge reason to spec first. So, the deliverable we are after is a comprehensive initial project document written up front before the agent touches the code. That document is what keeps the whole build on the rails. Now, let's touch upon the four phases of SDD. Okay, here we go. So, how does an SDD build actually flow? Four phases. Let's build them up. 1. Specify. Define what the system must do. The what, not the how. 2. Plan. So in this phase, map the architecture, the stack, the approach. Number 3. Break it down into tasks, small, verifiable chunks the agent can tackle one at a time. Number 4. Implement. The agent writes the code. You verify it against the spec. Round and round until it's done. By round and round, I mean iterations. And here's the key: your specs, your plan, and your tasks all live in one place: the agents file. Will build the next. This is what separates SDD from irresponsible vibe coding. Fewer bad results, less waste. Now let's discuss the trade-offs. Now, be honest about the trade-offs, the advantages. Less ambiguity, more reliable code, smoother teamwork, and living documentation. Your project keeps forever. The disadvantages, well, it takes more upfront time. It's hard without a dev background. It can feel rigid. And the big one, a wrong spec propagates. Garbage in, garbage out. There are strict SDD frameworks out there, but honestly, they feel bureaucratic. We'll touch on those at the end of the course. For now, the hybrid approach is your friend, and that's what I usually use personally. So that's SDD. Define the what, let the agent handle the how. Next up, let me show you exactly what we are going to build. In the unit 4, we shall discuss about it. So that's all, folks. See you in the next chapter. Bye for now, and take good care of yourself. Peace out.